To cite a print book with a translator, we will start with the author information. We will provide the author's last name, followed by a comma. We will then give the author's first name and end the section with a period. If the book has two authors, the author section will look like this. After the initial author, we will include a comma, the word and then present the second author's name. Please note that this name is given first name and then last. If the text has three or more authors, the citation will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. After providing the author information, we will then give the title of the book. This title is italicized. Generally, we will capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title. We will then end this section with a period. After the title, we will include the words translated by. We will then give the first name and last name of the translator, followed by a comma. Next, we will provide the name of the publishing company. It is important to note, if the publishing company has the word university or press within its name, we will abbreviate these words to U and P respectively. We then follow the publisher name with a comma. We end this citation with a year of publication and a period. Providing this information in this order will enable our reader to find this source.